Hi everyone, it's Sally, aka Craftin' Gal Sal, and today I'm going to be making an easel card for one of my students who sent their flat Stanley here to Mr. Cox, my husband, to hang out with for a few days. And so I'm getting ready to send this flat Stanley back to him, so I thought I'd make a little card and actually attach him to the card. So anyway, I found these papers in a pack that I bought at a yard sale. I got a whole bunch of pretty papers in a container at a yard sale for $2, and there was like just a ton of stuff in there. So I picked these out just because I thought they were, appealing maybe to a boy. So anyway, that's what I'm going to go with. Here's just a regular card base that I like to buy bases already pre-made. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is just fold this front flap in, and I'm going to just line it up with this, with the crease of the card, and go ahead and make a crease here. So my easel card's going to go something like that. All right, and now I'm going to put some paper on there. And so I need to cut some paper. Oops, wrong one. Sorry about that, folks. All right, let me get this one out. And I'm going to knead it at 4 inches by 5 1/4. Okay, that will fit the entire card. So now I'm going to cut that 4 inches in half. So I'm going to go at 2 inches now. So that will fit here on this front piece like that. And if I want to, I could do the same here, or I could just do, I think I will, I'm going to do another one there. I think I will do this one on here. So I need another 5 1/4, 5 1/4, and I'm going to go with 2 inches again. 2 inches. All right. So let's see how that looks. That one's going to go there, and this one will go here. I like it. All right. So let's get our tape runner. This is just a quick card, something different, but something easy to put together. Make it unique, and I also thought if I did the easel card, then maybe my student, even, he is a 7 or 8-year-old boy, maybe he will keep this card. Flat Stanley can stand up on the card, and maybe he can sit it somewhere. Who knows, maybe his mom will decide to set it up somewhere where they can look at it and enjoy Flat Stanley on a card. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so then the next thing, I'm going to use this and put it on the inside here. So this time I need the full size. So we're going to go with 5 1/4 inches and by 4 inches. Okay, so this one is going to go right here on the inside of the card, like that. Tape runner. Okay. Ooh, I got that right on the edge. Put one down the center. And let's get that. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, now my Stanley is going to be something like that. Now I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and put him, this was also in there, it's just some corrugated, I guess cardboard. I'm thinking about mounting Stanley on this and putting it like that. And that way, and I better make sure I cut this down to size. So let me get this one. I don't want it to, I want it to make sure that it fits in the envelope and is not too long. All right, so let's put Stanley. Let's go ahead and I'm going to glue him to that. He's got two sides to him, but I think it would be best to go ahead and glue him down. And that way he's got a little bit of support. Now it is a possibility that the back side of Stanley will come unglued, but that's okay. That after all, the flat Stanley belongs to the boy that sent him to us. And I put a little too much glue. I forgot that his hands were going to be sticking out on the sides, but that's okay, because that glue's going to dry. Woo! Yeah, see how his head's already coming loose. So I'm going to put a little glue here to help his head stay down. There we go, Stanley. Okay. And I may need to put a little glue on his hands too. So now I'm going to be gluing this corrugated piece only to this side, so that it'll stand up. So I'm going to go about halfway, not quite, and put some good adhesive here. Whoops. You can tell I'm in a hurry. I still need to go get myself ready to sit with my mom today while my dad gets his shower. All right, so now this is going to go right here. Like that. Yep, that looks good. There's Stanley. And when you put it in the envelope, it lays flat. So that works. And now I need to put something right here to, help hold Stanley up. So I'm going to pause while I think about that and come up with a solution. And I will see you in just a moment. Okay, I found my solution. What I did was I stamped a thank you using this old Stampin' Up! Foam stamp. It's from 1995. Anyway, I love the font that is used on that, so I just stamped it using my Memento Tuxedo black ink on some white cardstock. Then I mounted it on just some of this, but since it's paper, I mounted it again after I put it on the star paper. I mounted it again on another piece of white cardstock to make it nice and thick. What I'm going to do now is raise it up with some foam tape, and I'm just going to put one right down the middle. right. So now Stanley has a place to keep him secure. Let's try to get that like that. And there he is, just like that. And I'll probably write something, a sentiment to go inside the card, but I think you get the idea. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more glue under him so that he stays on there nice and snugly and secure. But I hope you enjoyed that. A real quick, easy, fun to make easel card. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a drawing for a nice big box of paper crafting supplies. So until the next time, I hope that you have some happy crafting. Goodbye.